friends, and valued clients. Edith Bldg here with eXp Realty in Delaware. And as the vibrant colors of autumn surrounds us and the crisp air fills all of our lungs, we find ourselves in the heart of the harvest season, a time of reflection, gratitude, and togetherness. It's a season that reminds us of the abundance in our lives and the importance of community and support. So having said that, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone, and especially our clients and customers. Your trust and support have been the cornerstone of our journey together and our success in our real estate business. Whether we were assisting you buying or selling real estate, your partnership has been invaluable. And for that, Sam and I are truly grateful. So, as we approach Thanksgiving, a time dedicated to giving thanks and sharing joy, we wish you and your loved ones a holiday filled with laughter, warmth, and some delicious feasts. We pray your homes are filled with the love and the happiness that this season brings. Thank you once again for being a part of our lives. And we look forward to continuing this journey with you, nurturing our relationships and achieving some great things together. So, from Sam and me to you, we say Happy Thanksgiving, and may this holiday season bring you good company, great times, warm memories, peace, and prosperity. Until next time, bye-bye.